cut that out, make a nice square. So we get our new board in there, have a bit of CLS in there. Now we've got our joist. Get some plasterboard cut. And that's it. Bit of PVA on here. Just over. About 2 inches over the join onto the existing. Right, when you're doing little patches like this, it's so important to have a nice clean bucket of water with a sponge so you can wipe the existing. You want to get a nice clean finish. So we literally probably only need an alt full of gear, but you can never just mix up alt full of gear. And for this small area, never ever use extra time. I've never used extra time anyway. I'll just use a bit of cement. Get the water a bit dirty. Goes off nice and quick. A little bit more. That's it. And that's it. Probably got a bit too much there, but that'll do. Nice thick bit. And you'll all be saying, oh, look at the state of his bucket. Well, blame me labourer for that. This is where the sponge comes in handy. Clean water. Always wipe that stuff off. Nice clean edge. How much better does that look when you see other patches? And you've got a plaster smeared on the wall. And that's it. Job done. All feathered in nice and sharp. Nice and clean. And that's it. Leave the job absolutely spotless. What more do you want?